Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the latest scientific findings on health and nutrition. Today's topic is sucralose, a popular artificial sweetener that is widely used in many foods and beverages. But did you know that sucralose may cause cancer and damage DNA? In this video, I will show you the evidence from several studies that suggest sucralose is not as safe as you think. What is sucralose and how is it made? Sucralose is a synthetic compound that is derived from sugar by replacing 3 hydrogen-oxygen groups with chlorine atoms. This makes it about 600 times sweeter than sugar, but with 0 calories. Sucralose was discovered in 1976 by British scientists who were looking for new insecticides. It was approved for use as a food additive in the US in 1998 and in the EU in 2004. How does sucralose affect your gut microbiome? One of the main concerns about sucralose is its impact on your gut microbiome, which is the community of bacteria and other microorganisms that live in your digestive tract. These microbes play a vital role in your health, such as digesting food, producing vitamins, regulating immunity, and preventing infections. Several studies have shown that sucralose can alter the composition and function of your gut microbiome by reducing the diversity and abundance of beneficial bacteria, such as bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, and increasing the levels of harmful bacteria, such as Enterobacteriaceae and Clostridia. These changes can lead to inflammation, oxidative stress, impaired digestion and absorption of nutrients, increased intestinal permeability and susceptibility to infections. How does sucralose cause DNA damage? Another major concern about sucralose is its potential to cause DNA damage, which is a key factor in cancer development. DNA damage occurs when the genetic material of your cells is altered by chemical or physical agents, such as radiation, toxins, or free radicals. DNA damage can lead to mutations, which are changes in the sequence of nucleotides that make up your genes. Mutations can affect the function of your genes, which can result in abnormal cell growth, division, and death. Sucralose can cause DNA damage by several mechanisms, such as generating reactive oxygen species, ROS, which are highly unstable molecules that can damage DNA and other cellular components. Interfering with DNA repair mechanisms, which are processes that fix DNA damage and prevent mutations. Forming genotoxic metabolites, which are breakdown products of sucralose that can bind to DNA and cause mutations. One of these metabolites is sucralose 6-acetate, which was recently found to be more toxic than sucralose itself. Sucralose 6-acetate significantly increased the expression of genes associated with inflammation, oxidative stress, and cancer. How does sucralose increase colorectal cancer risk? Colorectal cancer is one of the most common types of cancer worldwide, and it is strongly linked to dietary factors. Colorectal cancer occurs when abnormal cells grow in the lining of your colon or rectum, forming polyps or tumors that can invade nearby tissues or spread to other parts of your body. Sucralose can increase your risk of colorectal cancer by several mechanisms, such as promoting colitis-associated colorectal cancer, CAC, which is a subtype of colorectal cancer that develops in people with inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, such as ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease. Sucralose can worsen IBD symptoms by aggravating gut inflammation and damage. Activating tumor-associated signaling pathways, such as STAT3, VEGF, which are involved in cell proliferation, survival, and angiogenesis. Enhancing tumor initiation and progression by inducing DNA damage and mutations. A study using a mouse model of CAC showed that sucralose caused significant increases in the number and size of colorectal tumors, along with changes in body and spleen weight, pathological scores, mortality, fecal beta-glucuronidase and digestive proteases, gut barrier molecules, and gut microbiota. How can you avoid sucralose and protect your health? If you are concerned about the health effects of sucralose, you may want to avoid or limit your intake of foods and beverages that contain it. Sucralose is found in many products, such as soft drinks, juices, yogurts, ice creams, candies, chewing gums, baked goods, sauces, dressings, cereals, snacks, and supplements. You can check the ingredient list and the nutrition facts label to see if sucralose is present and how much. You can also look for the E number E955 or the brand name Splenda. Alternatively, you can choose natural sweeteners that are safer and healthier, such as stevia, monk fruit, honey, maple syrup, or coconut sugar. These sweeteners have lower or no calories than sugar, and they also have some beneficial effects on your gut microbiome, blood sugar levels, and antioxidant status. Sucralose is a widely used artificial sweetener that may cause cancer and damage DNA by altering your gut microbiome, generating ROS, interfering with DNA repair, forming genotoxic metabolites, and activating tumor-associated signaling pathways. Sucralose may also worsen IBD symptoms and increase CAC risk. You can avoid or limit your intake of sucralose by checking the labels of foods and beverages that contain it, or by choosing natural sweeteners that are safer and healthier. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on health and nutrition. Thank you for watching and see you next time.